Hello, everybody. I'm Alex Trebek. I'm going to be your host tonight, hosting Astronomy Jeopardy. Hope you guys are excited. Dan, so what are you going to do if you win tonight?
Well, Alex, if I win tonight, I'm going to take all that money and I'm going to build a spaceship. And then I'm going to fly that spaceship into space and go see every single Messier object. That's what I'm going to do, Alex.
It's pretty exciting. All right, Byron, what are you going to do with tonight's winnings?
Well, shout out to the 301. I'd like to thank Dr. Bush for sponsoring this Jeopardy game. What I'd do with my money, I'd probably open up an investment account. I dabble in some cryptocurrencies, mostly Dogecoin. Probably just see what I can do with it, make my money work for me.
And Owen, what will you do with tonight's winnings?
Alex, if I win tonight, I plan on opening up a bakery that exclusively sells donuts in the shapes of globular clusters.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's start things off with radiation for 100. The wavelengths between 400 nanometers and 700 nanometers. Owen?
What is the visible spectrum? Trebek.
That is correct. What is the visible spectrum? 100 points on the board. Right. What do you want?
I'll take radiation for 2.
Alright, radiation for 200. Relation between color and temperature.
What is Wien's law?
What is Wien's law? You are correct. That is 200 points. Alright, what category would you like?
I'll do radiation for 3.
The temperature of cosmic background radiation.
3 Kelvin.
What is 3 Kelvin? You are correct. Up next.
I'll do radiation for 4.
The Milky Way contains this estimated amount of stars. Owen?
What is 100 billion?
That is correct. What is 100 billion?
Let's go radiation for 5.
You got it. The Crab Nebula lies in this constellation. Byron?
What is Taurus?
What is Taurus? You are correct.
Yeah. That was a guess.
Now, what would you like?
We'll do celestial sphere for 100.
The imaginary spherical surface of the large radius centered on the observer. Owen?
What is a celestial sphere?
What is the celestial sphere? I think that counts though. Good job. What do you want?
Celestial sphere for 200, Alex.
Alright. The point directly above the observer's head. Dan?
What is the zenith?
That's correct. What is the zenith? 200 points on the board for Dan.
I'll take celestial sphere for 300, Alex.
Alright. This type of mount is limited by size and weight of the telescope. Owen?
Alex, what is equatorial mount?
What is the equatorial mount? You are correct. Alright, up next.
I'll go for the next one in celestial sphere.
What number is that?
I don't remember.
400.
400.
Alright. This is the amount of days in the sidereal year. Byron.
What is 366?
366, you are correct. Byron pulling into the lead.
I'll take celestial sphere for 500.
The angle the ecliptic makes with the celestial equator. Owen.
What is 23.4 degrees?
What is 23.4 degrees? You are correct. Hold that up. Alright, what category would you like?
Let's go gathering light for 100.
The physical aspect that has the most impact on telescopes' light gathering. Dan.
What is the area?
What is its area? You are correct.
I'm going to go with observation and telescope for 100.
Observatories and telescopes?
Yes, Alex.
Okay. The diameter of the largest refracting telescope. Dan?
What is 40 inches?
You are correct. What is 40 inches?
I'll take that for 200, Alex.
You got it. This wavelength is observable from Earth, but higher altitude observatories are preferred.
What is infrared?
What is infrared? You got it. I'm next.
We'll go observing through the atmosphere for 2.
This visible wavelength is scattered more easily by Earth's atmosphere. Dan?
What is blue, Alex?
Correct. What is blue?
Take observing through the atmosphere for 300.
This streetlight design drastically reduces urban light pollution.
What is full cutoff?
You are correct. What is full cutoff? Can I help you? Owen.
Let's go observation through the atmosphere for 300.
You got it. This technology automatically deforms mirrors to account for atmospheric turbulence.
What is adaptive optics?
What is adaptive optics? You are right. Catching up. Alright. What would you like?
I'll take observations 400.
This phenomenon results from atmospheric refraction of a setting sun. Owen?
What is the green flash, Alex?
What is the green flash? You are correct. What would you like?
Let's go for observations for 4.
Observations for 5.
Observations for 5.
You got it. This effect causes the appearance of a star twinkling. Dan?
What is scintillation?
What is scintillation? You are correct.
I'll take observing through the atmosphere for 500.
That's already been taken.
400 then?
That has also been taken. Do you want observatories 3 through 5 or gathering light 2 through 5?
Observatories 3.
Alright. These 3 wavelengths must be observed by space telescopes. The correct response was, what are UV, X-ray, and gamma rays? Nobody gets any points. Alright, Dan, back to you.
I'll take gathering light for 400.
Got it. These 5 types of objects contained within the Messier catalog. Emma?
What are nebula, supernova, binary stars?
Is that double stars?
Ah!
Alright, Owen, you
damn.
have lost 400 points. Anybody else want to take a crack at it?
I'm gonna do some hardcore editing on this.
Yeah, I'll go. Ding.
Alright, Byron.
What are supernova,
Correct.
galaxies,
Yep.
star clusters,
Yep.
double star?
Is that globular clusters?
Yes.
Sure.
Double stars.
Yep.
And nebula.
You are correct. That's 400 points.
I'll take that for 500.
You got it. This number is the amount of Messier objects. Byron.
169.
What is what? You are incorrect. Dan?
Alex, what is 110?
You are correct. Oh man, it's a close race. What would you like?
I will take
There's gathering light 2 and 3 and observatories 4 and 5.
gathering light for 200.
The 2 main types of optical telescopes. Dan.
Alex, what is reflecting and refracting?
What is reflecting and reflecting? Yes, you're correct.
I'll take gathering for 300.
This device is most similar to the eye's retina. Byron.
What is a CCD?
That's correct. Alternatively, it's also a photometer. Alright, Byron.
I'll take gathering light for 3.
Nope. Observatories and telescopes for 4 or 5.
We'll take 4.
Reflecting telescopes lack this type of aberration, which make them preferred in those type of telescopes. Go on.
Alex, I believe, what is chromatic?
You are correct. What is chromatic? Alright, and finally we have observatories and telescopes for 5. This country is home to many observatories due to its altitude, ease of access, and political stability. Owen.
What is Chile?
What is Chile? You are correct.
Woo! Hi, Jimmy Carnes here. Do you have a problem with your black holes? Are they not white? You need to get OxyClean to turn your black holes into white holes.
Action.
Alright, let's start it off with radio astronomy for 100. This country currently has the largest radio telescope in the world. Dan?
What is China?
What is China? That's 100 points.
I'll take radio astronomy for 200.
You got it. This type of astronomy differs from radio astronomy in that it is an active observation rather than a passive one. Owen?
What is radio astronomy?
What is radio astronomy? You are correct. Alright. What would you like?
I'll take for 300.
Alright. Radio astronomy is especially useful in detecting this element. Alright.
What is hydrogen?
What is hydrogen? You are correct.
I'll take radio astronomy for 400.
You got it. These types of gas require observations at radio wavelengths. Dan.
What are cold interstellar and hot ionized gases?
What is cold interstellar and hot ionized gases? That is correct. Tying up with Byron.
I'll take finish off radio astronomy 500.
This person was the first to discover cosmic radio waves. Yeah.
Who is Carl Jansky?
Who is Carl Jansky?
It's a great question, Alex.
Alright, Dan, back to you.
Let's go to photometry for 100.
Got it. This object has an apparent visual magnitude of 12. Byron.
What is the full moon?
That's correct. Killing it. Next up.
I'll take that for 200.
This term refers to the number of photons detected versus incident on a CCD. You answered too early. Owen.
What is quantum efficiency, Alex?
What is the quantum efficiency? I'll be lenient and give it to you. Owen.
Let's go that one for 300.
Taking images through several filtered exposures and then combining them to create a color image uses this photometry device.
What is a charge coupled device?
Yes, what is a CCD? Also, you came really close to cutting me off again, so let's make sure that doesn't happen.
I'd like to be on time.
Byron?
I'll do that for 400.
This technique is used to measure the distance to nearby stars. Byron.
What is parallax?
Yes, what is parallax indeed?
I'll do that for 500.
Got it. This term measure the brightness of a star as it would appear 10 parsecs away. Byron?
What is absolute magnitude?
What is absolute magnitude? You got it. You swooped up into first place. Alright, what? Oh. This stage of an average star's life cycle occurs immediately after its red giant phase.
What is brown dwarf?
Nope. It's 200 points down the drain. Dan?
What is the planetary nebula?
What is the planetary nebula? You are correct. Alright. Dan, what would you like?
Take that.
That was the 200 stellar evolution.
I'll take that for 200.
That was the 200.
I'll take the 100 then.
Alright. This cluster of stars contains approximately a few hundred members born in the same interstellar cloud. Dan.
What is the open cluster?
That's correct. What is an open cluster?
We'll move on to that for 300.
You got it. This is the final phase in the life of a massive star when it has completed its supernova phase and is too massive to become a neutron star. Owen.
What is a black hole?
Yes, what is a black hole? You got it. Alright, Owen, you keep it.
For 4?
Alright. This type of star has periodic pulsations caused by internal instability. Oh,
What is a pulsar?
Can you repeat the question?
this type of star has periodic pulsations caused by internal instability.
What is a Mira variable star?
That's correct.
I'll do that for 500.
Alrighty. These stars are in stable equilibrium with hydrogen core fusion. Byron.
What is a main sequence star?
That's correct. You have a resounding lead at the moment.
I'll do spectrometry for 100.
Spectroscopy?
Yes.
Alright, you got it. This is the simplest light spectrometer. Owen.
What is
Byron. Dan.
What is ACDC?
What is prism?
You're correct. Owen, you are incorrect.
It doesn't count because you got it right before I did.
Oh, okay, that's fair.
You
Dan.
still said it though.
Move on to that for 200.
Alright. This spectra occurs when electrons drop from higher energy levels to lower. Owen.
What is emission spectrum?
Oh, you got it right. Nice job, Dan. It's 200 points to Dan.
300.
These 7 letters are used to classify stars by their temperature.
What are O, B, A, F, G, K, and M?
That's correct. Nice job.
Look at that.
Alright,
Oh
watch
boy.
out.
Fine girl kiss.
Ouch.
I'll take that for 500.
Oh wow, this is the daily double. Nice job. Alright, this effect is used to determine the relative velocities of faraway objects. Dan, what is the answer?
I'm gonna have to go with what is the Doppler effect?
That's correct. That's 800 points right there. You have tied this game up.
And we'll finish that category off.
Alright. Is the energy theorized to drive the expansion of the universe? Owen.
What is dark energy?
That's correct. What is dark energy? Alright.
Alex, I'll go for 100.
Low Earth. Alright, one more interruption and you're out of this game. I'm kicking you out.
Sorry,
Low Earth
Alex.
orbit satellites are below this height. Byron.
What is 2,000 kilometers?
That's correct.
Fucking easy.
Alright, let's keep the profanity to a minimum. Byron.
I'll do that for 200.
This orbit allows a satellite to image the entire globe. Dan.
I don't know, Alex.
Alright, well, Owen.
What is GPS?
Nope. Alright, does nobody know the answer? Alright, Byron.
What is a polar orbit?
That's correct. Nice job.
I misheard that question.
Alright, Byron.
Well, I'll do it for 400.
It's bold, but I like it. This imaging type is especially useful for topography. Byron.
Radar?
What is radar?
What is radar imaging?
That's correct. Nice job.
I'm so smart.
Alright, Byron, back to you. 3 or 5.
5.
This percentage of launched telescopes are currently usable.
69.
That was close, but no cigar. Oh,
What is 12%?
plus or minus 1%. You have that spot on. It's 13%.
What? You never gave Mr.
Dan, you may also.
No.
What is 13%?
That is correct. Nice job. Dan pulls into the lead.
And we'll finish off that category.
Alright, you got it. The global positioning system uses 24 satellites in this type of orbit to provide global service.
What is geosynchronous?
Do you both agree with that?
I disagree strongly.
Dan? What
I
are your
agree
thoughts?
with that.
Alright, what is yours?
I go medium Earth orbit.
Alright, well, since you guys were all in agreement, you all get 300 points. Nice job. The answer is, what is medium Earth orbit?
That
Alright.
was close. I think it's time to take it to the final Jeopardy.
I agree.
I think
Final
we should
Jeopardy.
say-
Whoa!
Alright, bets. We have Owen is betting $3,899. We have Dan betting $69.
I'm gonna bet one crisp Georgie.
Byron is betting one crisp Georgie. Alright. On to the question. How many people have walked on the moon? Your time starts now.
Is it closest, or do you have to be spot on?
We'll see how the room is feeling. Alright, let's find out what the correct answer is. Correct answer is 12. Owen, what was your answer?
6.
That is half of the correct answer, so you get half that money. Dan. 1,000, that's not quite right.
12, baby!
Wow, Byron, that's the correct answer. You win a whole dollar. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, so you're at $1,001. Dan, you're at
Minus
51.
69.
Yeah, whatever that is. And Owen,
Half this?
You get half a
you
Kit
get
Kat.
half that, and then you double it. So you're at $6,564. But Byron's our winner for tonight.
This is how we walk on the moon. This is how we walk on the moon. This is how